want me to videotape you doing it? But I'm just gonna, let me just peel this.
Hey guys, what's up? Today it's currently my birthday right now, and I just got a gift that I will be unboxing on camera. See you in the clip. Alright guys, so my dad is opening it right now.
You sure you don't want to do it yourself?
I can't, it's too heavy.
Really?
I thought it was VR for a second.
I mean, you can't use VR on it.
No, I said VR. VR.
Alienware.
What's 15?
15. Alienware.
Alright.
Yeah, let's go guys. I'll be doing my new gaming videos on this.
You gaming videos?
Yes, I've done a couple. Here's the moment of truth.
Stand back and film. Stand back and film.
A Mac
You're
from
covering it.
2011.
Ready?
Imagine there was a Mac from 2011 and you just pranked him.
Oh.
Here it is. Computer.
Aiden.
I got it.
Aiden. Feel this.
Actually, this is amazing. So I'm actually currently unboxing it. It feels so smooth.
So.
See.
I have an idea. You get the flamethrower.
Ready? Stand back, Wes.
Okay. So I'm currently also opening it again. Alright, so there's a lot of stuff there.
1996.
Alright, so it's currently out. Let's
Yeah, that was
for the
another thing.
for the second moment of truth.
I know.
I'm gonna wait, the most satisfying thing. Remember anybody remember this from my mouse review?
No.
If I can get it off.
Editing.
If this were a Mac, that would have peeled up really easy.
Shut up.
Damn.
These are better than Macs.
Untrue.
Okay, open it
The
up.
Mac is the superior gaming device.
Shut up. You're not even that funny.
I actually just made you laugh. Just so we're clear, Dad already opened it.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, he did. Yeah, you're already practicing your trackpad.
Ooh. Okay, so it's very nice.
It's very Alienware.
Here, I'm gonna take out the other piece right here. No, I want to do
But
it.
you upgraded the specs on this?
Oh.
This is
There's one
custom.
on the screen. Nope. Okay. Okay. So is this a button? Yeah, this is the button to turn it on. It's not. It's out of battery. Oof. It's out of battery, but I love how this is the button to turn on. All right. So overall, we already have something. We have really nice buttons. We have a nice air key already. It's super nice. Very comfortable. I can put my wrist right here. Intel-Core i7 8th gen.
Where's the NVIDIA sticker?
Very nice.
Isn't this supposed to be an NVIDIA sticker right there?
Okay. Nice camera. Obviously, pretty big camera on it. It's not like most people aren't going to be using camera. So if we flip to the back, we have a few fans in the back, actually. We have a few USBs, actually. So, yeah, actually, we have
Someone's blocked.
We have 2 USBs on this side, plus a microphone and headphone jack. On the second side, we have one more USB. On the back, we have a charging cable. We have I have no idea what that is. We have an HDMI. Okay, now let's back to the box. Alright, so if I can open this. Alright, so now that we're opening this. Now we're just going to go. Quick start guide. So, very quick. I don't even know if that's not going to even pick up on the video. I don't even think YouTube can handle video quality that much, but alright. So yeah, there's basically instructions here, how to put VR and stuff like that. But So now we're gonna try and finish the video off. So we're gonna take this out. So charging and everything, huge cable. Yeah, there's another cable. So,
Is that a mobile charger?
so no, this isn't a mobile charger. So we've got a nice cord here. Obviously, you plug this into it, and then that into somewhere else, that into here. So that's almost it for the video, guys. But we have one more thing. Alienware and blah, 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 blah. And okay, nice video. We'll see you later.